This very autumnal recipe for mushrooms fried with chestnuts is from a 14th century anonymous Tuscan recipe collection. It explicitly asks for dried mushrooms, as I use them in this video, but I see no reason for not preparing this dish with fresh mushrooms. The choice of mushroom is left to the cook. This time I used a mix that included porcini mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, champignons and chanterelles. Chestnuts can also be found pre-cooked, peeled and vacuumed all year round. The anonymous author proposes to serve this dish with pork and mostarda, that is mustard-candied fruit from Italy, but I think it goes well with tagliatelle or similar pasta.